Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and I've been running my YouTube channel since May of 2017. And I would like to take you on a quick trip down memory lane from one of my live streams from 2019. I'd like to apologize in advance for the background noise in my live stream during this time. My kids were a lot younger then, and we had a much smaller apartment. So enjoy. I know it's a little strange seeing two of me, but present me is going to shut up and we'll listen to what I was talking about back in 2019. Ethereum has broken 300. Yay, Ethereum. Bitcoin. We need to see Bitcoin crack its all-time high. And let's hope it does that in this next few weeks. And then we'll all be vindicated, right? All the naysayers can be naysayers, but we told them they should have bought Bitcoin last year. I told them, please buy some Bitcoin, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, if you got it. No, I don't have any money right now. All right, don't buy it. So that was me back in 2019. Of course, I was wrong. Bitcoin did not crack its all-time high back then of 20,000 within the next few weeks after we spoke. However, if we look at the price of Bitcoin today, you can see what a bargain it would have been to buy either Bitcoin or Ethereum back in those days. Also, I wanted to point out that underneath this video is an affiliate link for the new Ledger Nano X. So Ledger devices have been with us since way back when. They've been around a long time, and I've been using them the whole time. My first cryptocurrency hardware wallet was a Ledger device. So I wanted to let you know about a great deal on a Ledger device right now. Ledger is giving away Bitcoin when you make a purchase of any of their line. You can get a Ledger Nano X, a Ledger Nano S+, and they're offering $50 worth of Bitcoin when you buy a Ledger backup pack. That is buying a Ledger Nano X along with a Ledger Nano S, which you can use to create a mirror backup. Now, as I mentioned, I've been doing videos on cryptocurrency self-custody for many years now, and I looked quite a bit younger in that video I just showed you. But I've done quite a few setup videos for Ledger devices. I have a setup video on getting the backup pack done with the mirror backups. I've got setups on Ledger Nano X, Ledger Nano S+. I've done restore videos on how to recover your crypto if you lose or damage your device. So I'm going to put some links up there in the corner so that you can get up to speed on my great step-by-step tutorial videos. I'll also put an affiliate link down in the corner so that you can take advantage of this deal and get some Bitcoin along with your purchase of the safe and secure Ledger hardware wallet. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered.